they call this the silent assassin? Audi RS7. Let me tell you why. This is an Audi RS7. It's a fastback, it's a sedan, it's a sporty car, and you might know that it's fast, right? But this is like crazy fast, supercar fast. This car right here, they call it the silent assassin because you look at it and it's a simple design, no flashy craziness. I mean, it is a little loud, it's got the rumble, but it doesn't really call that much of attention. But this vehicle, you can modify it up to 1,000 horsepower. That's insane. And I mean, with just slight tuning, intake, and some exhaust modifications, you're talking 800 plus without having to change the turbos. I mean, the capabilities of this car, the drivability, and the fact that it doesn't stand out too much, I really like that.